Hi there, CreativeSarah here, and today I have a fun project. We're going to make a bling pumpkin DIY. So we have these new bling sheets, and they are so fun. What we're going to do first is just take any little pumpkin stencil, and I've waxed this piece of wood, and I'm going to lay the stencil down and go ahead and chalk the pumpkin. So this is a large pumpkin. It fits right on this 9 by 12 piece. And I'm using some orange and of course a little bit of black to do the handle. And then after I'm done with that, I'm going to dry it completely and then we're going to add some bling. If you want to get the project supplies for this, go ahead and comment the word bling, B-L-I-N-G, and I'll send you a message with a link where you can get all the project supplies. Okay, so I just did one at a time and I made these little swirls. These are kind of like an iridescent clear, like a smoky gray color. So all throughout the pumpkin, and then I added some of our orange. They're like an orangish yellow. I did a little bit of that. So you can see all the bling. It'll come, you'll get a close up at the end of the video. So very fun. This bling is really cute to add and very three-dimensional. So I just love it. Hope you do too. Make sure you like and follow for more decor.